Yeah, Georgia is killing Tennessee right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? Red Machine back in the video. Got me some 2 box breaks tonight. First one, we got some 2021 Donruss Optic basketball, which I paid $30 for this. And the other one I've been looking for a while, 21 22 Optic Artifacts. I guess it has 9 packs in here. Look for these neon green base set parallels. So I'm going to open up Artifacts first. I wanted to open this stuff. Let's do it. I do not know where my knife is. I guess I have some piece of plastic here or something. Does not work. So I'm just gonna rip it with my bare hands. Shit. Where did I put my knife? Let me open this here. Ow! Hold on a second, guys. Hold on. Retard difficulties. Retard alert. Technical difficulties. Okay. None seen Zeri open these on YouTube and throw them in a bonfire. Which, that's actually funny. You really don't get a lot of, a lot of stuff out of these, but I want to open one. I don't know how they are this year. Enough hobbies better than retail. Last time I opened one of these was 1819. You get 7. Okay, I guess you do get. I thought it was 9. 7 packs plus 2 bonus packs. 4, 7. Alright. Let's open this up, guys. See what we get. Cavs will be playing here soon, so you guys will see Cavs post-game reactions. Base set's really nice this year. We got Elias Lindholm. They really show up well on the camera, too. Nice one for the Flames. Open up 15-16 back in the day. Conor McDavid's year. I got John Carlson. Nice one for the base set. There's a 230 base card set with rookies. There's a green parallel of Patty Kane. Could be his final year for the Hawks, so. Actually, I'll set him up at the end. Kevin Fafila. And we got Braden Shen. I need his rookie cards from 10-11 Ultimate Collection and SPS Hennick. I like to complete the set, actually. Here's Ty Smith. I like to complete any set I can get, to be honest. I'm like that kind of person now. Dustin Brown, he retired. Captain now. Gabriel Landeskog. I said that wrong the first time, I know. If you guys want to give me a hit, go ahead. Shea Theodore, he got a goal against the Caps the other night. And we got a Jason Zucker. The motherfucker. No, I'm joking. Don't say that. I'm sorry, I had to. He's on the Penguins. He's a rival team of the Capitals. I don't hate the Penguins. I don't hate the player, but I just had to say that for a joke on the channel. You guys know me. Tyler Tulofi. Jeff Petrie. Oh, sweet. We got a Kevin Falella something jersey. We got NHL Remnants. That's jersey swatch right there. They had a couple of these at Target. So we got a nice jersey hit tonight. So breaks. That's a nice card. Is it going to fit in that? Yes, it will. That's a pretty card right there. Is it numbered? I don't think it is. Nope, but I'm going to put these in my trading card database collection. Every card I have in my collection, I'm going to be putting on there. So if you guys see my profile, all the stuff I have added, yeah, I've been set collected a lot of times. I'm going to be trying to set collect this. Maybe we'll see how many cards I get. Singles and boxes I open. We'll see how far I go. Anthony Mantha. You got Mo. Daniel Nurse. Chevers. Clayton Keller. And Tomas Chabot on the Senators. Stuff ain't too bad at all. I like the design. Last year's was better. I like the design better than last year's, but I didn't open any last year. Fanaby. Varlamov. Got a Dougie Hamilton. Oh my god, this guy is starting to curse my collection, because ever since I said, teach you how to Dougie, teach you how to Dougie. Dougie Hamilton will teach you how to Dougie. Carolina Hurricanes. And he's on the Devils now. Nice green right there. I might have to go for the Dougie Hamilton PC. I don't know, I might need to get some cards for his 13-14 rookie class. I have him 13-14 Crown Royal. Thinking about it. Patrice Bergeron, this could be his last year of his career. Nicholas Backstrom hopefully gets better soon. Come on, Ovi. Either Sorokin. Jacob Markstrom. Oh, shit. Got a Sidney Crosby green. You got a green in every pack. He's 8 numbered. He's what the backs look like if they're green. You got a Braden Point. And that's what the backs look like if they're not, like parallels. Sergei Bravowski. See if we get a rookie. I don't think there's rookie redemptions anymore. I think you get them out of them now. Vincent Trocheck. Ah, damn it! Get my camera. Vincent Trocheck on the Carolina Hurricane. These are nice cards. Charlie McAvoy. Josh Bailey green. One of my favorite players, actually. Blake Wheeler. And actually another player I really like watching. That's my two favorite teams. Jake Muzzin. Alright guys, that was not a bad box break at all. Probably the Crosby was my favorite. Nice Crosby. Got a nice Crosby parallel collection. Teach you how to Dougie. Teach you how to Dougie. Doug Hamilton will teach you how to Dougie. Teach you how to Dougie. There's other greens here. Oh yeah, the Patty Kane as well. That's another good one. Then we got the Relic, which that's the best card of the box. Artifacts NHL Remnants. Jersey swatch. There's the base. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys in another video soon. Peace. Durr!